friends.
Hello.
Welcome to Click for Steam Camp.
Yeah.
By the way, my name is Mr. Tesla and she is
Marissa, Meyer.
very well. Alright, so today we'll be making something really beautiful. Who can guess what that thing is? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
Ah, that's it. We have a face mask here. Oh, doesn't it look lovely?
It does.
That's beautiful. Now we will still be putting you through the steps in making a face mask. As you all know, a face mask is very important for us to have, or we can call it a face shield also, alright? It prevents particles and dust and every sort of harmful element that can get to us.
Yeah.
We get that.
Okay, for us to be making this beautiful face mask we have here, we will be needing a ribbon, a masking tape,
Very well.
a transparent paper binder,
Important.
a stapler,
Correct.
a scissors, and an elastic band.
Correct. That's it. Alright, so I'll be walking you through the steps of making a face shield. Now the first thing we're going to do is to fold your paper binder in half. Very well. Now make sure you cut out a curve from the bottom. Curve from the bottom. Alright. Just trying to achieve a curve using a circular object. So you can use whatever object that you feel like using. But for us, we decided to use a circular object. Alright. Cut out the curve. That's it. Yeah, so can you see? Good. Now the next thing you do is to take your ribbon and put borders around the paper binder with the exception of the bottom. And it's also advisable to do this under adult supervision. That's it. Okay. So for each one you cut, you should use your stapler to keep it in place. Now see that, look at that. That's it. Make sure you use the stapler to keep your borders in place. Alright? Good. And it's advisable again to do this under adult supervision, okay? Good. Now she's going to put the borders all around the paper binder. That's it. Now look at that. Look at that. So, the only part that's left right now, which we need to put our border, is the top. So you go ahead and do that. Okay, so don't forget, she folded the borders on the sides and then left the one on top the way it was. Okay, don't forget that. Now look at that. Now can't you see it looking beautiful? Now the next thing we do is to put our elastic band so that it can fit into your head. Alright? Now let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so for our elastic band, we're using a measurement of 24 centimeters. Of course, you can use whatever measurement that fits your head, because 24 centimeters was the size of my head. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Now, so keep the measurement the okay. So we go ahead and use a stapler to keep it in place. All right, on both sides. That's the first side, and on the other side, we use a paper stapler to keep it in place. Ah, that's it. Now look at that. And yeah, we have our face shield.
Wow! So we have
Now
made.
look, we have a face shield right now. Isn't it looking beautiful? Aha! So you can do as many as you like at home. You can
So I
have fun
have
with
mine.
it. You can try different materials. It's not necessarily use a ribbon, alright? You can use any other material, but just cut it to the size of the ribbon. Is that clear? Or you can use a transparent paper binder. It could be white, it could be green, any color of your choice. Just have fun with it. Okay? Thank you so much.